T20 Blast 2025. In the final match, two finalists Somerset vs Hampshire. Match played at Edgbaston, Birmingham. Somerset won the toss, elected to field first. Hampshire 20 overs, 194 runs, lost by 6 wickets. Toby Albert is the highest scorer, 85 runs, 48 balls. Then Somerset team best bowling spell. Goldsworth 4 overs, no maiden, 28 runs, 1 wicket taken. Somerset 19 overs, 195 runs, lost by 4 wickets. Somerset team best scorer Will Smith 95 runs, 58 balls. Then Hampshire team best bowling spell Scott Curry 4 overs, no maiden, 44 runs, 2 wickets taken. Somerset won by 6 wickets in this match. Player of the match Will Smith. Congratulations Somerset cricket team, winner of the T20 Blast 2025.